Mission to Organize is very proud to be a diverse woman-run and women-owned business, headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. We named it Mission to Organize because there's always 2 or more organizers on every project. Organizing is a process, and the more people that you have, the quicker it goes. Our clients are busy people, so we can get things done a lot more quickly, which was really important to us.
By the end of the day, just cleaning and maintaining my house is exhausting. I've been at work all day. I have an 8-year-old. And so having a team of people come in and allow me to just hand off the little decisions about what I want takes a load off. And that's really what, to me, working with Mission to Organize is all about, is taking away my stress.
A lot of our clients, before they book with us, might have a little bit of fear or nervousness about bringing someone into their space. And I always tell people that's totally natural. We've seen it all, but also we have a great understanding that every client is different, every space is different, and we're here to come into the space with an open heart, an open mind, and all of our creative juices behind it to support our clients.
One of our main goals is to make organizing fun.
Even aside from what we're physically doing in the spaces that we touch, we are also building such a fun energy and rapport with our clients and with each other as teammates.
We also offer services that other organizers don't provide. We have a robust referral network. We're also proud members of NAPO Chicago, the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals. There are currently 13 certified professional organizers in the whole state of Illinois, and 2 of them are on our team. I think the biggest way that we help people outside of home organizing is with our relocation services. Moving is one of the most stressful things that you can do in your life, so we are the extra hands that really make it a less stressful experience. We can do the packing, the unpacking. We can hire haulers, put things into storage. So having our team there is really a weight lifted off of our clients.
Yeah, yesterday was super fun. And I think my favorite surprise was I opened the drawer under my bed and found all my workout clothes perfectly folded. And I was like, oh my God, this is the best thing ever.
We have a cleaning add-on to our organizing services that takes our organizing one step further.
One of the things that makes me wake up every morning so excited to come to work is that we have such great people. We're such a beautiful family, and we all have each other's backs and just have so much fun being together. And having that translate to our clients is so much fun.